Hey everyone, and welcome to Microsoft Power BI for Business Intelligence. This course is a #1 bestseller and a masterclass in Power BI. You'll learn from top instructors on the Maven Analytics team and put your skills to the test with hands-on projects and unique real-world assignments. Throughout the course, you'll play the role of Business Intelligence Analyst for AdventureWorks cycles. Your role is to transform raw data into reports and dashboards to help the management team track KPIs, compare regional performance, analyze product-level trends, and identify high-value customers. But don't worry, we'll be here to guide you along every step of the way. We'll start by introducing Power BI Desktop and the key stages of the BI workflow: data prep, modeling, analysis, and visualization. From there, we'll connect and shape our data with Power Query and explore common connectors, storage modes, profiling tools, table transformations, and more. Next, we'll dive into relational data modeling, introduce topics like cardinality, normalization, filter flow, and star schemas, and build our AdventureWorks model from the ground up. With our model configured, we'll create calculated columns and measures using data analysis expressions, or DAX. We'll discuss row and filter context, review formula syntax, and practice applying tools like filter functions, iterators, and time intelligence patterns. Finally, we'll bring our data to life with professional quality reports and dashboards. We'll review visualization best practices, build and format basic charts, explore powerful AI visuals, and add interactivity with bookmarks, slicer panels, parameters, custom tooltips, and report navigation. Last but not least, we'll preview some of Power BI's native and external optimization tools, including the Performance Analyzer, optimization presets, and more. So if you're a data professional or aspiring analyst looking to learn the #1 business intelligence platform on the market, you've come to the right place. With more than 50,000 perfect 5-star reviews from students around the world, this is the course you've been looking for. Sign up today and get immediate access to high-quality video content, downloadable resources, course projects and assignments, and one-on-one expert support, all backed by a 30-day, 100% guarantee. We've got a lot to cover, so let's dive in.